Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to turn on dark mode on Snapchat app on Android device. Well, by knowing how to enable dark mode in Snapchat, you can customize your app's appearance to better suit your preferences and improve your overall user experience. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Snapchat app on your device. Okay, after that, click your profile page at the top left corner, and then enter to the settings page. Well, so now you have to scroll this page till you find app appearance option, and then tap on it. Well, so here you can see there are 3 options, and then the way to turn on dark mode, simply tap always dark option here. And then you can click restart now. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn on dark mode on Snapchat app on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.